In this video, we will solve for a side of a non-right triangle using the law of cosine. So the law of cosine follows this equation. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus bc times cosine angle A. In this problem, the lowercase a, b, and c represents the side of a triangle. So in this case, c is equal to 11, b is equal to 14, and therefore a is equal to the variable x, or the side that we are trying to solve for. And the uppercase letter a represents the angle, and it also represents the angle that is opposite to the side of lowercase a. Now substitute these values in. So 14, so b is 14, so that's 14 squared, c squared, that's 11 squared minus 14 times 11 times cosine a, which is cosine 50, that is equal to a squared. And if we're plugging in the right hand side into the calculator, we get that it is equal to 21801 and some change, that is equal to a squared. Now solving for a squared, so we take the square root of 218.0 and the change, we get 14 point, we round it to 14.77. So therefore a, side a, which is equal to the variable x, which is this side of the triangle that we're solving for, it is equal to 14.77.